Do you want to know how you can log into your Zoho Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Zoho Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and search for Zoho Payroll Login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see that this is the official login page of Zoho. And if it doesn't lead you to the login page, you can see sign in on the top right hand side. If you have an account, go ahead and click sign in, and if you don't have an account, click sign up and create a Zoho account now. So go ahead and click sign in as you already have an account, and it will lead you to this login portal of Zoho. Now you can log in using your email address or phone number, or your Apple ID, your Google account, your Yahoo account, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Microsoft. So you can use all of these. So to use your email address or phone number, go ahead and type it in here. Go ahead and click next. And then if your account exists, then you can see password option. Go ahead and write down your password, click sign in, and then you can successfully sign in to your Zoho account. If you don't have an account now, you can click sign up now. And if you want to use one of these, you can just go ahead and click on one of these. Let's suppose I want to click on Google. I'll click on Google and I'll click on my Gmail account and give the access to continue. And if the account exists, you can log into your account on Zoho from your Google as well. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.